Hello everyone, welcome to our new session of PictoBlox. So this is Rachandeep Singh from Millennium School, Patiala. In this session, we are going to start with the image recognition, and along with that, we are going to work on the robotics, that is Quarky. And in that one, we are going to import Quarky, and we are having some recognition cards that we are going to use in this one. So based on that, whenever we are going to show the card to the machine, it is going to turn into that side, whichever moment we are going to show it. So for that, first of all, we have to use the class of identifying the cards, and along with that, we have to use the video as on, and even we are going to use the enable box, and then we are going to set the threshold value to 60%. Then for in the while loop, we are going to specify the analyze camera, and it is going to also identify the signs that will be shown to it. And whenever it is going to detect any kind of sign, it is going to check whether the count is greater than 1, and if that is greater than 1, then it is going to check for the first sign, that is if it is going to see the sign as go, then it is going to move the Quarky robot into the forward direction. If it is going to identify the sign as left, then it is going to move the Quarky into the left hand direction with the speed and along with the time specified, and then for the right as well as for the U-turn. So now you can see the output, and this was all about today's session. Try this out, Quarky code, and I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to my channel.